In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to your Shopify store and connect the two seamlessly in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you manage transactions more efficiently through Stripe, a popular payment processing platform. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps. First, what you'll want to do is ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. This step is critical because you'll need to access your store's settings to integrate Stripe. Once successfully logged in, look for the settings icon, usually located in the lower left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a menu where we can make the necessary adjustments for payments. Now in the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Shopify allows you to manage your store's payment providers. You'll notice various payment options available, but we need to specify a new one. Next, you'll find a section labeled Choose a Provider. Click on it, which should prompt a list of payment gateways. Scroll through the options until you find Stripe. If you're using a search function, it might make this step quicker as there are quite a few to look through. Selecting Stripe will initiate the setup process for this payment gateway within Shopify. Now that you've clicked on Stripe, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Stripe account. This is crucial because it links your Shopify store to the correct Stripe account, ensuring that all transactions go to the right place. Type in your email carefully and double check for any typos. After entering your email, look for the Connect button. Pressing this is essential as it establishes the actual connection between your Shopify and Stripe accounts. It tells Shopify that you authorize transactions from your store to be processed through your Stripe account. Following this, you'll need to follow a series of steps to verify and connect your Stripe account fully. This typically involves logging into your Stripe account and giving Shopify access. The verification process might require additional steps, such as confirming details or providing extra documentation to ensure everything is secure and correct. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you have successfully integrated Stripe into your Shopify store, allowing you to accept payments easily. This integration not